Well, we saw some severe storms yesterday. We could see some more severe weather upcoming in the forecast, but that's ultimately going to end up with some cooler temperatures and a brief dry period for us. That's not the case for tomorrow. Tomorrow we're going to deal with some more strong to severe thunderstorms. Our temperatures are going to hang right around the mid-90s, so that's going to give us plenty of fuel for those thunderstorms as well, because we have the humidity and we obviously have the heat with the temperatures in the mid-90s. So we do have a level 2 out of 5 risk for the majority of the state, the entire upstate, entire Midlands, inland PD, and inland low country in that level 2. But the coastal areas of the PD and low country are only in a level 1 out of 5 risk. But everywhere in the state could see some short to medium lived storms, some of which could be intense. Our main concern is going to be the gusty winds, but we can't rule out the threat of an isolated tornado or some hailstones either. So you see, our severe weather threats, our main concerns are the strong storms and gusty winds, but we also have that small chance of a tornado, large hail, and even some flash flooding embedded with some of these thunderstorms. So let's track this out. Thursday morning, we're looking pretty good. Heading into the afternoon and evening hours, you start to see some showers and thunderstorms start to pop up. Then we see a bulk of activity start to move in as we head towards Thursday evening about 7 o'clock. Here's that bulk of activity that we're talking about. Now that's going to continue to lift further to the north and stay around through late Thursday evening, but by Friday morning we do start to dry out. Before eventually Friday, we see some more rain and thunderstorms in the area. So we do have a threat of some scattered thunderstorms for your Friday as well, with temperatures staying in the mid-90s. So once again, a humid day with warm temperatures, we could get some severe storms start to fire up. So you do have a level 1 out of 5 risk of severe weather for your Friday. So we could see some isolated thunderstorms, most of which will be short-lived, but we could see some gusty winds, some hail, and maybe even a brief spin up within these cells. For your weekend, we continue to see some scattered rain and storms, but you see here comes the cool down. Saturday, we are staying in the low to mid-90s. By your Sunday, scattered storms continue, but a front will sweep through, cooling off our temperatures into the mid-80s. So a big relief from where we were, but we're keeping the humidity, so it's still going to feel pretty uncomfortable if you step out the door. So for your 10-day forecast, I do have a yellow alert for tomorrow just for those severe thunderstorms. 60% chance of rain and storms statewide. We are staying in the 90s through your Saturday. A cool down is on the way by your Sunday. We bump right back up into the 90s heading towards mid next week, but we take another brief stint in the 80s heading towards next weekend. And those rain chances do return heading towards the middle of next week as well. Keep it here at Will's Weather for all the latest information.